Hey everybody, so you're looking at Module 1, Lesson 9. You should be on day 2 by now. Exponents and square roots. So let's jump in and see what your task for today is. So just a brief review from your videos and lessons that went along with Module 1, Lesson 9. The big one, just like division undoes multiplication, okay? For example, since 12 times 4 equals 48, 48 divided by 12 is 4. They're opposite operations, right? So just like that, square root is undoing squaring a number. So since 12 squared is 144, the square root of 144 is 12. They undo each other. They're direct opposites. So a lot of these are very useful to remember, just so you can deal with them quickly. Like if you look at this, 1 squared is 1, so therefore the square root of 1 is 1. That's the weird one because it's just a bunch of ones. But 2 squared is 4, so therefore the square root of 4 is 2. 3 squared is 9, therefore the square root of 9 is 3. Okay? So a lot of them you need to remember, and I think I memorized up through 12. I could probably get through 15 I could probably get up through 15. But some of these you want to memorize because they're very useful to be able to do them quickly. Okay? When you do these on the calculator, this is going to be big. So anytime you get your calculator up, you have to hit the number first. Okay? So for example, if you're doing the square root of 9, you would hit the 9 first and then hit the square root button. Okay? You're going to need that for your task. Here's your task for today. I will be sending out 3 documents. Or I guess it'll be one. It'll be one document. I'll try to get into one. I think it's in 3, but we'll try to get into one. That have these squares on them. You have to either write the number as a square root or find what the square root equals. What do I mean by that? For example, the square root of 196 is 14. So if you look down in that bottom far left box, all right, the square root of 196 is 14. I did that one for you. Anything that doesn't have a square root, you need to write it as the square root of a number. So 7 is the square root of 49. Okay? So you're going to do that with all these numbers. Now there's 4 of these that you guys aren't going to know how to do. So we're just going to give you those answers, okay? The first one is this guy in the middle, the 5 square roots of 2 is the square root of 50. 50 is, the square root of 50 is 5 square roots of 2. So that, notice those are the same thing, just we're doing them backwards. The 2 square roots of 10 is the square root of 40. So if you find the square root of 40, where is it? There it is. In the center on the left, bottom. Square root of 40 is 2 square roots of 10. Okay? So make sure you write those ones down. You're going to need them. Because you should have all of these done. So the ones that are the square roots, evaluate the square roots, find out what that answer is. The ones that are not square roots, figure out what the square root would be. Like, for example, 7 is the square root of 49, okay? Have this ready when you come to the live lesson because we're going to do something with these. We will see you guys there.